Hello, my name is Kai Lee at TVLogic. I'm in sales. I'm really happy to introduce our new monitor named F-7H. This is 100 nit, 500 nit, 2000, and 3600 nits. It's ultra brightness monitor in the world. You can do a 3D lookup table import. If you make a DaVinci Resolve Cube 5, yeah, it does support your LUT into the monitor. And it has a HDR emulation function, PQ, HLG, SLog3, and user. It does have a Rex 2020 color gamut, so you can use it for your HDR production as well. It has SDI in and out and HDMI in and out. The cross conversion is available. The resolution of this monitor is 1920 by 1080. It's native full HD resolution. The power option is G-mount, Anton Bauer battery, V-mount battery, and battery bracket for Sony, Panasonic, Canon. It's now shipping, and the MSRP is $2,000. So please visit our website tvlogic.com. So
Thank you so much, Cal.